Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing fine. Today we are going to see how to update Fimi Palm firmware update. This is Fimi Palm 2. Let's see which version does this Palm 2 has. First we have to go to the settings, then device info. As you can see, the camera version is 1.1.28.01 and the gimbal version is 1.008.d. Let's check on their website now. Their website is www.fimi.com. We can see download menu here. We can see the new camera version update is 1.1.30.01 and the gimbal update is V1009B. You can compare from here. We can use few methods for this updating procedure. We will be using the most easiest way. First, we have to download the Fimi Play app from the App Store. Then we have to turn on Wi-Fi on Palm 2. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is on. And I have already downloaded the Fimi Play app. Let's turn on Wi-Fi. Here, Fimi 2 000884 connected. Now open the app. Here we can see some information has given. Firmware download. And the most important thing is we must need some mobile data because the Wi-Fi might be connected with the camera. For this procedure we need some mobile data. Now we are going to click firmware download. As you can see, the downloading procedure has begun. "95", "98", and the download has been completed. The updating procedure has been started. During the upgradation procedure, our recording camera has unfortunately stopped. But as you can see, the upgradation has been done. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we will update about the video quality and image quality of this palm.